Welcome to Best Choice. The best baking stuff is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any kitchen, whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, offering endless possibilities for creating delicious treats, from simple cookies to elaborate cakes and savory pies, making it an indispensable part of culinary adventures and a gateway to homemade goodness. Number 5. The Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. Discover the power of the Pink Stuff Miracle Cleaning Paste. This all-purpose cleaner is your go-to solution for tackling tough messes. From greasy kitchens to grimy bathrooms, it makes cleaning effortless. Achieve a sparkling finish with minimal scrubbing. It's formulated to cut through grease, grime, and stubborn stains with ease. See the difference it makes on various surfaces. This versatile cleaner is perfect for a wide range of tasks around your home. It's the only cleaner you'll need for kitchens, bathrooms, and more. Experience the miracle shine it leaves behind. Get your home looking its best with this incredible cleaning paste. What we like? This cleaning paste is a true miracle worker for your kitchen and bathroom. It tackles tough grease, grime, and stains with ease, leaving surfaces sparkling clean. If you're looking for a powerful yet gentle cleaner that can handle almost any mess, this is the one for you. What people say. Extremely effective on tough dirt and scuffs. Easy to use with minimal scrubbing. Didn't damage the materials or colors. Number 4. Umite Chef 6-piece stainless steel mixing bowls with lids. Crafted from high-quality, heavy-gauge stainless steel, these bowls are resistant to rust and corrosion. The mirror finish interior and fingerprint-proof exterior ensure lasting beauty and easy cleaning, giving you peace of mind. Our deeper bowls offer larger capacity for all your culinary tasks. With sizes ranging from 1.5 to 7 quarts, you'll have the perfect size for mixing, tossing, marinating, and storing, minimizing mess and maximizing convenience. The shiny interior and satin exterior make cleaning a breeze. Simply wash them by hand for a quick and easy cleanup after use. Equipped with flat silicone bases, these bowls stay firmly in place while you mix. You won't have to worry about them wobbling, allowing for smooth and efficient preparation. The flexible, BPA-free plastic lids fit snugly, creating an airtight seal to keep your food fresh. They are perfect for storing leftovers or prepped ingredients for longer periods. These bowls are designed for ultimate versatility in your kitchen. From mixing batters to serving salads, they handle it all with ease and style. What we like? These mixing bowls are built to last with high-quality stainless steel and feature practical airtight lids to keep your ingredients fresh. The non-slip bottoms provide stability during vigorous mixing. If you need a versatile set of bowls for everything from mixing batters to storing leftovers, and appreciate a secure grip while you work, these are an excellent choice. What people say. The baking pan has a non-stick coating that makes cleanup easy. This set includes various sizes of baking sheets, perfect for different recipes. The cookie cutters are made of durable stainless steel and hold their shape well. Number 3. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets Cooking Guide. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this all-in-one cookbook guide. It covers over 120 foods in 5 categories, making it simple to check cooking times and temperatures for meats, vegetables, snacks, and more. This guide is built to last with waterproof and tear-proof materials, making it easy to clean. It features a hook for hanging and a strong magnet to attach to your fridge for quick access. Designed for both beginners and experts, it uses color-coded tabs and bold fonts for clarity. It includes both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings to eliminate guesswork and improve cooking accuracy. This guide goes beyond basic recipes, offering tips on steak doneness, frozen food handling, and even dessert ideas. It enhances your cooking confidence and helps you achieve flavorful results quickly. Universally compatible with most air fryer brands, it's an essential accessory for healthy cooking. It's the perfect addition to any kitchen gadget collection, helping you achieve pro-level results faster. Looking for a practical Valentine's gift or a kitchen must-have? This magnetic guide simplifies air fryer use and makes an ideal present for anyone who loves to cook. What we like? This magnetic cooking guide is a game-changer for air fryer enthusiasts. It provides quick references for cooking times and temperatures for a wide variety of foods, all in a durable, waterproof format. If you're new to air frying or just want to save time on meal prep, this handy cheat sheet will become your go-to kitchen companion. What people say. Practical, it sticks to my refrigerator, and the recipes I read seemed easy to follow and not super fussy, easy to get ingredients, and minimal steps. I like that the cardstock booklet is spiral bound. It can be hung via the little loop in the spiral, or can be stuck to fridge via the large strong magnet attached to back of booklet. The cooking times to be very accurate and the food comes out perfectly. Bonus is the magnetic backing so that it lives very handily on the fridge next to the air fryer. It's very well made and after 3 years of use still looks brand new. Number 2. RFAQK 200 PCs Cake Decorating Kit. Unleash your inner baker with this comprehensive cake decorating kit. It includes everything you need to create stunning desserts like a professional, right from the start. Achieve flawless frosting with our smooth revolving turntable. It turns both clockwise and counterclockwise, making decorating easy for everyone, whether you're right or left-handed. Elevate your creations with a wide array of professional-grade icing tips. You can craft intricate swirls, beautiful flowers, and elegant borders with ease. Master every detail with handy tools like scrapers for smooth icing, spatulas for precise application, and couplers for seamless tip changes. Create delicate flowers with specialized attachments. Don't know where to begin? Our included guide and video tutorial will help you make the most of your new decorating set. Plus, we offer 24/7 support for any questions you may have. This is the ultimate gift for any baking enthusiast. It provides all the necessary supplies to transform ordinary cakes into extraordinary masterpieces. What we like. This comprehensive cake decorating kit has everything you need to create stunning baked goods. The 360 degrees smooth revolving turntable makes decorating effortless, and the wide array of professional tips allows for intricate designs. If you're passionate about cake decorating, whether as a hobby or for special occasions, and want to achieve bakery quality results at home, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The product is very easy to use and clean. It is a great addition to my kitchen and has made baking so much easier. I love the design of this product, it's very sleek and modern. Number 1. Bellemain 3-cup stainless steel flour sifter. Home baking just got easier with this essential kitchen tool. It holds a generous 3 cups, perfect for all your favorite recipes. Measurements are clearly stamped for easy reading. Professionals prefer this classic hand crank design for its durability and ease of use. Unlike squeeze models, it won't tire your hand, making sifting effortless and cleanup a breeze. The double loop agitator ensures everything is sifted smoothly, leaving no lumps behind. It works perfectly with all types of flours, from fine to coarse. Designed for comfort, this sifter is easy to use even for those with arthritis. The smooth hand crank requires minimal effort, making sifting practically effortless. Crafted from rust-resistant stainless steel, this sifter is incredibly strong and durable. You can rely on it for generations, without worrying about cracks or dents. What we like. This flour sifter makes baking a breeze with its generous 3-cup capacity and effortless hand crank operation. Made from rust-resistant stainless steel, it's built to last for generations. If you frequently bake and want a reliable, easy-to-use sifter that produces perfectly aerated flour and sugar without hand strain, this is an ideal addition to your kitchen. What people say. Stainless steel construction. The flour sifter is made of high-quality stainless steel, providing durability, resistance to rust, and easy cleaning. The sturdy construction ensures it can withstand regular use in the kitchen. 3-cup capacity. The 3-cup capacity is suitable for sifting a moderate amount of flour or other dry ingredients. It strikes a good balance between size and convenience for both small and medium-sized recipes. Efficient sifting mechanism. The sifting mechanism is efficient and effective. It quickly and evenly sifts flour, breaking up clumps and aerating the dry ingredients. This results in smoother batters and more consistent baking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.